Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Isbukri Bemo Fahmi. My student ID is 2019-2019-82 and I am from J4 EM1104E.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I will present one of the process in process 2, which is the turning process. So I will choose the machining process, which is the number 3, which is the rough contour. So we go to the name of the process is rough contour. So the part B, which is we use the holder, which is the tools indexable holder right side with offset, and the cutting tool is the turning insert carbide cutting tool trapezium. So how to determine the tool? So we will choose to at the appendix. We use the tool indexable holders right side with the offset, and we will use the trapezium of the cutting tool carbide. So the application is the dynamic bar copying, and the boring bar type is ESDUC A, and the size is 32 mm. So we go to the appendix, how to determine. So we go to the dynamic bar, which is this one, ESDUC A, which is the carbide, and the application is the copying, which is the like this copying. And then the diameter is the 32 millimeter. So this is the for the part B. So we go to the part C. The cutting material is using the carbide, which is we have mentioned before at the part B, which is you also use the carbide. So the cutting speed that has been given is 244 meter per minute. So the workpiece diameter is 60 millimeter, and the machine mass that has been given is 6,000. Cutting edge is 1. The spindle speed is 1,290 RPM, and also the chip load 0.521 millimeter per revolution. So the feed rate we get 674. So how do we get the 674? We have to use the littlemachineshop.com. So we have to calculate. So this operation is the turning process. So the material that for the lab is which is the steel in low carbon. So we use the carbide. So we insert the cutting speed, which is the cutting speed is 244, and the workpiece diameter. So we before that we will have to adjust to millimeter. So the workpiece diameter is about 60 millimeter, and the measurement is 6,000. Cutting edge is 1, and the chip load is 0.52. So we try to calculate, and then we get feed rate is 774 millimeter per minute. So this is how we get the feed rate of the rough contour. So we go to the length of cut. We go to the estimate time, which is the length of cut. The length of cut is 80 millimeter. So how do we get the 80 millimeter? So we go to the diagram, which is the 80 millimeter of the diagram. So divided by the feed rate, which is 774, and then we get 0.12 minutes. 0.12 minute of to settle the 0.12 of the rough contour. So this is the graph illustration of the rough contour, which is we can see the tool adjustable holder right side of the offset at the top, with the trapezium of the cutting tool. So I think that is all for me for the one of the process of the rough contour. So that's all for me. Thank you.